One of the things that we'd actually mentioned in a previous tutorial as well was the notion of graphs. And these graphs are very, 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 very handy. And we will go into a little bit of detail about how these graphs can actually prove to actually really, really, really give you the information that you could possibly desire. Now, for example, here now we have our character, and we can get him from all the angles that we want. But one of the things that we actually really, really want to check up is the actual graphs. But we can see his various movements here, and these are all represented quite well. But we have to kind of, we need a little bit more information about a certain body part. And that's one of the things that we're actually going to look at here. So if you look up here at the chart menu, you'll see various options that are added for, be it joint angle, physiological left, physiological right, joint velocity, etc., etc. There's a wide variety of it, and you have all these other options as well that you can actually click on. And for example, here we're going to use physiological left, and we're going to look through all of these options here, and we can have as many of the graphs represented on the screen. All we need to do is press plus here, and for example, now this is physiological left and knee internal rotation. So you can cycle through the graphs, and you can actually get data there of the actual knee rotation, which is actually very, very, very handy, especially if you're in the sports science field, because you will be given this data, which you can also export as well as a .csv file, and that will actually give you the numerical data that will be outputted in from the graphs as well as in the .csv files. Will work as very, 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 very handy ways of detecting either an injury, or else if somebody has been injured and they're rehabbing an injury, you'll be able to get the results side by side and actually compare and contrast them, which will help you greatly with your diagnosis.